Elections are held on time in October of this year, that your besieged party can still win and that you can still be Prime Minister again, surely that's a pipe dream now.
Look, since I've been ousted, out of the 37 by-elections held, 30 have been swept by my party, despite the total support of the establishment to these 12-party coalition. So clearly they are scared. This whole thing which happened to us after 9th May when I was abducted from within the High Court, abduction, and the way that they abducted me as if I was some terrorist. So the reaction to that was used as a way of just clamping down, crack down on my party. We equated to what Hitler did after the 1933 burning of the German parliament. He cracked down on the communists and wiped them out. This is what's happening now. How could a few